Okay, 2012 Fleetwood Bounder 35K. What I'm working on today is getting my TV to work on the inverter. Now, my inside TVs all work off the inverter. So you've got one up here in the front, you've got one over here in the living room, and then you've got one in the bedroom. Those all work on the inverter fine, but the outside TV does not. And that makes no sense. So you're outside, you want to watch TV, but you got to have the generator running. So I wanted to do this so I can just run that off the inverter as well. So first of all, I had to figure out where does that outside TV plug into. And down here under this bottom drawer, actually behind here, if you can see that, there is actually an outlet. I come in on the side here. You can see, possibly see that. It's kind of dark. But trust me, there's an outlet under there. That goes to the outside TV, and it is not on the inverter. So I had to had to rewire this thing or figure out a way to do it. So what I figured out was in the half bath, you're going to have a couple mirrors on the wall. This mirror here, there's nothing behind it, it's just a wall, so don't waste your time taking it off. This mirror here down in the corner, you can take off and you can get to all the wiring on the back of this TV. And it has an outlet, and that outlet is going to be on the inverter. Now, unfortunately, it's only got knockouts for one outlet here. This one down here, there's no outlet here, so I'm going to have to put in a 2-to-1. And then what I plan to do is run a drop cord straight down, and it's going to be about 5 feet to get to the floor. And then I just run it along here, along the bottom, and then get right over to there and plug it in. So essentially I'll run both TVs off of that circuit. And it's not a problem. The circuit, you know, they're all daisy chained together for the inverter anyway. You've got 1200 watt inverter. So these TVs take probably, I don't know, 75 to 80 watts. I'm gonna test one here to find out, but I know they're gonna be probably less than 100 watts. So even if I had a couple TVs on, I'm still well within it. So what I did is I just went and I found find a decent cord, don't put a real cheap one in there, but I wanted one also with a right angle here. That way when it's hanging, less stress on it, plus I'll probably tie the end to something so I don't have any stress on this. And then I had to get, this is the best I could find, kind of a 2-into-1, so this will plug into the outlet, and then I'll have a couple outlets, one for each TV. And that should do it. It should be that simple. I don't have to cut into any wiring, add a new box, all that stuff, hunt down which wires are for an inverter, which ones are not. I sure wish they would have color coded them differently, but they did not. Everything is yellow. You can see under here. So that's a project, and we'll see how it goes.